cantilever beam with several load problem solving using shortcut. The cantilever beam, end load point B, fixed point is A. So uniformly distributed load only for some distance. Okay, so capital W load. So length of the bar is L, up to the uniformly distributed load length is A, remaining distance is L minus A. Okay, this point is C. So how to solve using this one is shortcuts. Okay, so first to split the problem. Okay, this is the end point load, point is A and B. Okay, slope and deflection. Okay, this is end point load, only one slope and one theta is theta 1 y 1. Okay, here plus okay distributed load. Okay, up to distance A. Okay, B point, C point, A point. Here theta 2 theta 2 for up to point A. Okay, this is the deflex slope is only 1. Okay, theta 2 up for point. So slope is only theta 2. Okay, there is no load between B to C. Okay, there is, so slope is only theta 2. Now deflection. Okay, up to this one is y2 y3. Okay, so this y2, this also theta 2. Okay, this y2 is up to A. Okay, up to A. Okay, up to A, this deflection is y2. So remaining distance L minus A, the deflection is y3. Okay, so if you load is there, entire length means only one deflection. Suppose it is break in middle or half, less than half means it is 2 deflection. So slope is only 1. Okay, deflection is 2. Here slope is theta 2, deflection is y2 and y3. So problem is theta equal to theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3. Okay, this is the end. Okay, so I am using one shortcuts for solving this kind of problem. Okay, this is the cantilever beam. Uniform distributed load, uniformly varying load is small w, capital W. For slope, okay, theta, W L square divided by EI. This is a constant. This is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Multiply with this one. Okay, you can get the value of W L square divided by 2 EI. Multiply with this one. Okay, get the slope of simply uniform cantilever with the uniform distributed load. W L square divided by 6 EI. So next cantilever with uniformly varying load W L cube. So this is the capital W small w L cube divided by 24 EI. Okay, this is the end point load. So next for slope, okay, this is category 1, 2, 3. Okay, next for slope, okay, deflection. Okay, so first case is, okay, so this is completed 1 by 2, so 2 by 3 L into theta. Second one is completed 1 by 3, so 3 by 4 L into theta. Third one is completed 1 by 4, so 4 by 5 L into theta. Okay, can get the answer of W L cube by 3 EI. Okay, 2 cancel EI. Next one is small w L power 4, so 3 into 8 EI. Next small w L power 4 divided by 6 4 30 EI. Okay, so 24 4 4 and 6. Okay, 6, so 6 into 5 30 EI. This is one shortcuts. So y, okay, so theta means theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, here theta 1 is end point load, so the end point load slope is W L square divided by 2 EI plus slope of uniformly distributed load only some distance only. So up to A, okay, slope is only one slope, so theta 2 up to C, B to C is no load, there is no slope between B to C, so only slope is 1 theta 2. So here using entire length, okay, uniformly distributed load, the entire length is L. Okay, L. So here is up to A, so W A cube divided by 6 EI. Okay, W A cube divided by 6 EI. Okay, this is a slope. For deflection at end point load is W L cube divided by 3 EI plus, okay, next is uniformly distributed load only some distance, only half of the distance. So it is two deflections, one is y2, another one is y3. Okay, so y2, what is y2? Y2 is up to A. Okay, up to A, small w, okay, so deflection is W L power 4 8 A. So up to A, okay, first distance A, W here L power 4, so A power 4 divided by 8 EI plus, okay, remaining distance L minus A. Okay, so remaining distance L minus A means here 3 by 4 L plus L minus A into theta. Okay, this shortcut. So 3 by 4 L is W L A power 4 divided by 8 EI. Okay, plus at the end slope. Okay, so plus L minus A means this is slope at B point. Okay, the end point, slope at end point, slope at end point. So slope at end point, deflection at end point. 3 by 4 into L plus L minus A. 3 by 4 into L is 3. So here is A. Okay, up to distance A. So W power 4 plus 8EI into L minus A is slope values only. Okay, W L cube divided by 6EI into L minus A. Okay, this is the formula for to find the deflection of end point load plus uniformly distributed load only for half of the distance or sum of the distance for fixed cantilever beam. Okay, this is very important. Okay, you can solve any kind of problem using this type of shortcuts. Okay, so if you memorize only W L square by A 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 is 2 by 3, 3 1 by 3 is 3 by 4, 1 by 4 is 4 by 5. Okay, thank you.